It's like you can't even see the parking lot past. Something's coming through. It's all dusting off out all the rain. It's blowing away. Well, hopefully it'll blow away. It won't be sitting around. Wow.
I know, look at the trees.
Yeah, it's getting light now. Yeah, it's getting light over here too.
Yeah, we're on the back end of it. But look at how fast that wind is going now.
No, I'm not. I'm just going to wait.
Look, you can't even see that truck coming up.
Oh, by the way, they do have...
Oh, because it's white.
Yeah, they're wooden ones.
They might as well just stay in their vehicle. Wow, look at those trees.
What if that's on his truck?
That would be terrible.
No, I say it won't, because it would be going the other way.
He's going to go ahead and get out. Time to go shopping. Yep. It's almost past.